Installing the Kohler Choreograph wall panels. This video will show a standard alcove installation with corner joints and optional edge trim. This animation is intended as a supplement. Refer to the installation and care instructions for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation instruction. Caution: risk of serious injury. When cutting the wall panels, take appropriate safety measures, including the use of breathing protection. Always wear safety glasses when cutting and drilling. If panels will be installed to the ceiling, allow sufficient time for the adhesive to cure before installing wall panels. If the ceiling installation has not cured properly, the ceiling panel may fall during installation, causing injury. Some accessories require backing support. If you are installing any accessories, refer to the installation guide for each accessory before beginning panel installation. Determine if there will be vertical or horizontal seams beyond the corner locations, and order optional seam joints as necessary. Refer to the installation guide for seam joint installation. Route the rough plumbing for the bath and shower components. Install backing support for all accessories that require additional support, following the instructions provided with the accessory. Confirm your studs are within 3/8 inch of plumb. If necessary, use shims to ensure the walls are within 3/8 inch of plumb. Install backing material. Water-resistant wallboard backing material is recommended. Measure the installation area to determine the cut dimensions for the back panel. Then measure the installation area for the side panels. Note any areas that may require a contour cut to account for the profile of your bath or shower base. Mark the cut lines on the back side of the back panel. If corner joints will be installed, remove 1/16 inch for each corner joint from the width of the back panel. Mark this cut line. Mark the cut lines on the back side of the side panels. If a corner joint will be installed, subtract 5/16 of an inch from the width of the side panel before cutting. Record the location of the valve trim, shower head, bath spout, and any other components. Cover each sawhorse to protect the finish of the panels. Position the back wall panel face down on a stand or sawhorses that have a protective material on them. A power saw with abrasive wheel or abrasive masonry blade is recommended for cutting the panels. If needed, use a jigsaw with a grit blade for contour cuts. The wall panels should be room temperature before cutting. Allow the temperature to stabilize if the walls were outside in a cold climate. Cut the panel along the marked cut lines. Repeat for each sidewall panel. From the front side of the panel, use a hole saw to cut the holes for valving and other shower components. Along the edges of each panel, remove any excess material and rough edges using a sanding block. Dry fit the corner joints to the back panel. Dry fit the panels into the alcove. Verify fit. Make any adjustments as needed. Remove the panels from the alcove. Remove the corner joints from the panels. Using a clean rag and denatured alcohol, clean the back of each panel. This will ensure a strong adhesive bond. Measure the length of each side of the back panel. Transfer the back panel measurement to each corner joint. Using a high-speed rotary tool or cut-off wheel, cut the corner joints along the marked cut line. Use a sanding block to remove any burrs. Note the deep and shallow channels of the corner joint. Apply color-matched silicone sealant in the deep channel groove on the corner joint. Apply enough sealant to fill 1/2 of the groove. Install the deep channel of the corner joint to the edge of the back wall panel. Repeat for the second joint. If the panels are being installed over tile, use silicone adhesive. For all other applications, use bath and shower construction adhesive. Apply adhesive to the back wall panel in a circular pattern. The circles of adhesive should be 5 to 7 inches apart. Apply a bead of adhesive 3/4 of an inch from the top edge of the back wall panel. Position one corner of the back wall panel into place and press the panel into place. Press firmly and evenly across the entire wall for full adhesion. The panel should contact the rough wall along the entire area. Insert shims at the bottom of the wall panel. Use denatured alcohol to remove any excess adhesive or silicone sealant. Measure the edge of the side panel and transfer the measurement to the edge trim. Using a high-speed rotary tool with a cut-off wheel, cut the edge trim along the marked cut line. Apply color-matched silicone sealant in the channel of the edge trim. Install the edge trim to the edge of the side panel. If needed, use a soft mallet. Apply adhesive to the side wall panel in a circular pattern. The circles of adhesive should be 5 to 7 inches apart. Apply a bead of adhesive 3/4 inch from the top edge of the side wall panel. Fill the corner joint 1/2 full with color-matched silicone sealant. Push the side panel into the joints, then press the panel firmly against the rough wall. Install the remaining sidewall panel. Insert shims at the bottom of each wall panel. Brace as needed to hold the panels in place until the adhesive cures. To ensure successful adhesion, allow panels to cure for 24 to 48 hours before sealing. Apply paintable sealant along the top seam where the panels meet the rough wall, and along the bottom seam where the panels meet the bath or shower base. If panels will be installed to the ceiling, allow sufficient time for the adhesive to cure before installing wall panels. After applying sealant, wait 24 hours before showering or running water. The sealant must be fully cured before installing a shower door.